Check out this newer Ford Explorer. I just got done working a few dents on it. A couple on the body line, one on the quarter panel, one on the rear door. Here's another one on the rear door, right on the body line. We know that's one of the worst spots you can get a dent. Here's my tool I used. I call it a window tool. I'm not sure the proper name for it, but you can find them on A1 Tools, I think, or maybe Anson's PDR Tools. Plastic window guard, cheap one that you can use to protect the window from getting scratched or getting broke. My K-board, and I just used a torch to heat it up so I don't crack any paint. And my knockdown that I have, and this is what it looks like afterwards. There's the door, there's the quarter panel. Let me know what you guys think.